Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening IDM with administrator rights because permissions matter. Once done, go straight to Options, then the Save to tab, and locate the Temporary Directory field. You should already have created your new target folder on the faster or larger drive. Make sure to grant full read/write access. This prevents file locking and failed moves. Don't waste time changing other settings first. Focus on the temp path and folder permissions so the rest of the steps will work smoothly. Now change the temporary directory value to the exact path of the folder you created. Paste it, then apply. Once saved, move any active part or temporary files from the old location to the new folder so in-progress downloads can continue. Do this only if IDM is paused. Next, make sure your browsers still integrate with IDM and add the new folder to any antivirus exclusions. These steps avoid conflicts and ensure IDM can read and write without interference from other software. Finish by restarting IDM to lock in the change, then start a small test download to confirm temporary files appear in the new folder. If everything works, consider setting a periodic cleanup or a size limit to avoid disk bloat. If a download fails after the switch, check NTFS permissions, long path limits, and that the path contains no unusual characters. These are common causes. If necessary, revert the path temporarily, fix permissions, then set the new folder again to resolve stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.